Hello, this is Mrs. Birdie, and today I am going to start overhauling a Signet 100 clarinet. I've already gotten it taken apart. What we're going to need today is a wood, which we'll be putting our screws into the wood, and I always put the serial number and the make of the clarinet on the wood because I do so many and don't want to get them mixed up. The tools we're going to need today is a spring hook and a screwdriver, a needle nose pliers, and a whoops, wrong one. And a set of pliers. Okay, I usually start with the upper section. Start with the octave key. Set them aside, and I just work my way down. This is another clarinet that Mr. Birdie and I got off of eBay. We received most of our clarinet overhauls off of eBay, off of hornfixer.geo. That is our server name. Might want to add us to your favorites on eBay. Every once in a while we'll sell a horn. When you're taking out the screws, you want to make sure you don't have your hands up like this, because if the screw is really tight and sometimes you have to use pressure, your screwdriver can slip, and I've made the mistake of getting cut several times by my screwdriver. I've learned over the years though to kind of keep your hand at a distance. Mr. Birdie and I have a series of DVDs on eBay that we sell on various overhauls. Saxophones, clarinets, oboes, piccolos, bassoons, flutes. They're quite interesting. They're bird's eye views of really what I'm doing here, overhauls. This is an instructional, and I'm going to try my best to explain what I'm doing to this clarinet as I'm overhauling it. Now when I put this back together, I'll line my screws up, and I'll put this back together right the opposite of what I'm tearing it apart. Okay, first section's torn apart.